I am running the wire for the new camera,
The
new
dash
cam
that his daughter Elena bought him for her birthday.
If I can get the box out, it's the V1P Rexing cam. The dash cam with the back-facing one also. So we'll be rigging this up for a minute. They say it's a pretty easy install. I've hooked it up here, and I just run it up here underneath all this molding, all the way around, so you don't see it. Tucked it all the way around. Now I'm tucking it down in here, so that you don't see it. So's that you don't see it. Push it down. They say it's easy, but it's never as easy as they say. You notice that? Look at that, huh? Oh, we got one piece right there. Okay.
And somehow it's going to come down and around under there where we don't kick it.
Oh, Dexy!
No, he's on that side. It's going to come down here and go up and plug into there. So, we'll get back to you. Oh, wait. No, he's back. Maybe those adhesive things, no? Maybe I just need to hush up and let him do his thing. Voila! Ooh, see, look. Well, right now it says something went wrong. It's just because we plugged it in.
Something went wrong. That's about as tight and cute and sweet as we can get it, huh? Is that what it says? Something went wrong?
No, all data will be deleted.
Oh, okay.
So that's all set. He did it all the way up and around. You can't even tell there's a cord.
So now, here's the funny one.
We're going to do the back one.
Yeah, we got to do the back one.
Well, maybe.
The same way.
Do you want to do that one tomorrow?
No. Today. Bet you didn't know I was down with the Wu-Tang Clan.
Alright, we're not going to video all this. This is the back one.
They say we could put it on the bumper, but I think it'll last longer here. Just saying. So this is the starting position. You don't want to tangle your cord. That's what you don't want to do. this end here goes in this end here.
Mm-hmm.
But,
where's your tool? Right here.
and it's a similar situation. You're just trying to tuck this cord where no one can see it. Pretty much. Is it me you're looking for? You can see it in your thighs. Okay, get up inside there, you punk. See what I mean? But it's not as easy as it looks.
Is like the gap too big? It just keeps falling out of it? Whatever you want to say. Alright, we'll get back to you guys in a minute. Alright, so he's got that far. It was a pain to get it up in there for it to stay.
Yeah, it was, but just like a professional, we got that in all the way around. We're tucking it in.
I think it's gonna go all the way to the front and then it plugs into the camera up there, right?
Just seen the lady next door's boobies.
Oh. I'm happy for you, I guess.
So the trick is to get it underneath all this weather stripping and don't let it be seen by other means. Jelly beans. Hope it's not too long. Seems to be very long. Maybe I should stuff all the extra in here.
How much extra you think it's gonna be?
I don't know. I think we should see.
Maybe plug it in now? I don't know.
I don't have any glasses to see.
Oh, hold on.
Maybe I do.
So now he's in the front. He's gonna go backwards to the middle, right? Is that how you say it?
Somewhere around that.
Because we're probably gonna have a lot of extra cord left, so he wants to see where it lands.
Not as easy as one would think. Oh, come on. It's like millimeters, it just won't want to go underneath.
So now he landed in the middle with all the extra wire, and he's gonna try tucking it, or are you just gonna go back?
What did you say?
Tucking the wire.
Tina, I don't tuck it.
Oh, tuck it, you know what I mean.
What's the idea?
I wonder where that's going.
All down in this plastic. Should be okay. Anybody wants to know how you hid your cables? Say none of your business. Because look at how much cable is extra. That's because it was meant it could go into the
yeah, is it
into the back bumper.
I don't get that. Is it waterproof?
What waterproof?
The camera?
Yeah.
Someone snatch it right off.
Weatherproof anyways.
Oh my. Almost there. Okay, it's almost there. Well, you guys get the gist of it. We'll let you see how it is when we try it. And it's in. It's in there somewhere. That didn't even video. What the fuck is the... Oh. Forgive my F-bomb. It did video.
Big video. So now I wired that all around, all the way to that, to this. They're both plugged in. This is all set. And you push OK. I don't know, does it work when you start the truck up? I didn't read the directions.
Hold on. Alright, so Mr. Udizzy got the camera installed. It's there's the screen and everything. It's attached to the windshield. Then we have, forgive me, that little one back there. That's for the back, so you can see everything that's going on behind you. Everything's tucked away. No wires. The only wires you can see is right here. And then this wire down here is the charger. So we'll plug the charger in. We're going to plug it in the right way though. And then you see that light come on, and then you should, woo! There you go. The red dot's flashing up here. This is the back. This is the front. And then down here, I got to figure out how to put the correct date. And then I guess where all those A's are, you can put your license plate number in, and you can shut the volume off. So as you're driving, you can see and video everything that's going on behind you and in front. It's actually pretty cool. Can't wait to check it out and use it. And then actually, once you unplug it from the plug, give it a few seconds, and it should automatically shut off. And now, so there you go.